Hi everybody, David here at ScreenBeam's booth here at InfoComm 2026. We're showing off here, part of our deal is what we're doing, active learning. What does that mean? Well, it's a simplified active learning, means it has to be easy for those who are using it. So if you take a look here, I've got a teacher device connected wirelessly. You can see no cables, no wires. I'm sharing some content to the main screen. But if I want to take that main screen and I want it to go on all the screens in my room, all I have to do is, let's say I want to drag it over to a couple of screens. I'm going to click and drag, and when I drag it there, it's going to show up here. Oops, I forgot to drop it. There we go. It's going to show up here on the screen, and I'm going to drag it over to another screen here, and it's going to show up on the screen right above it. So that's me being able to manage my content in a room as an instructor. So I can take my content and drag it to other screens, or I can press one button and select main to all, and my main screen will go right to all the other screens. But what if a student wants to share? Well, I've got a student screen, and you can see that sharing over here. This is my student device, and they're working at their workstation. And I want them to be able to share with their neighbor. I can just take their screen, drag it over here, drop it in, and you'll see it show up on the screen right below it. So you picture this in an environment where you've got collaboration tables set up, you've got screens around the room that you're wanting to share content with. But the cool thing about this is, which better than anything else, is all this requires no software. This is still utilizing the native technology in the ScreenBeams. It's just a matter of setting it up with your IT, making sure the ScreenBeams are configured properly, and you've got an active learning room that somebody can use without learning any new software. They're just sharing their screen and then controlling the content at the console. So super easy. Come by and see us at screenbeam.com to find out more information.